Several legitimate reward apps let you redeem your earnings without charging a platform withdrawal fee, although your chosen payment provider may still apply its own charges in some cases. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that don't typically charge users to cash out and what to check before requesting a payout. The first app is Free Cash and Dot. You earn rewards by completing game offers, surveys, and other online tasks. Once your rewards are available, you can redeem them through supported methods like PayPal, cryptocurrency, and gift cards. Free Cash doesn't normally charge a separate platform fee just for requesting a withdrawal, making it one of the more straightforward reward apps. Next is Scramble.it. The app rewards users for completing game milestones and partner offers. After your rewards have been credited, you can redeem them using supported payment methods without paying a withdrawal fee to the platform itself. Depending on the payment option you choose, an external provider could still apply its own charges. Third is Swagbucks.io. You collect points by completing surveys, shopping through partner stores, playing games, and using other offers. When you're ready to redeem, you can exchange your points for PayPal cash or gift cards. Swagbucks generally doesn't charge users a platform withdrawal fee when redeeming eligible rewards. The fourth option is Ginbox.io. Users earn rewards through surveys, game offers, promotional activities, and other tasks. Once your account reaches the required redemption level, you can request payment using the available payout methods. The platform itself doesn't typically deduct a withdrawal fee from your earned rewards. The fifth app is Fetch.io. Instead of surveys or gaming, Fetch rewards users for scanning shopping receipts and purchasing eligible products. Points can be redeemed for digital gift cards without an additional platform withdrawal fee, making the redemption process simple for regular shoppers. Here's the part that often gets overlooked. No withdrawal fee and completely free payout aren't always the same thing. While these apps generally don't charge you just to redeem your rewards, payment services like PayPal or certain cryptocurrency networks may have their own processing or transaction fees. Those charges come from the payment provider, not the reward app. Before choosing an app, check which payment methods it supports and pick the one that works best for you. If you mainly want cash, Free Cash, Scramble, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars offer flexible redemption options. If gift cards are your goal, Fetch is an easy choice. If this comparison helped you avoid unnecessary fees, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best reward apps to use in 2026.